Hey, what's up everybody? This is Lee from Adventure FPV, and I'm down here in South Florida for the South Florida Drone Meetup. And I broke away from the group for a little bit trying to find some cool FPV spots because we're mostly just kind of flying on the beach, which is cool for cruising, but I wanted to find some spots to practice my freestyle a little bit more, find some higher objects to dive and do stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see the full video, I'm going to have a separate full video of the entire trip, but this is just going to be kind of a shorty of some of the FPV stuff that I did. So hope you enjoy.